Welcome all of you. In the previous video, we learned the Python variables. Now, in today's video, we are going to learn Python operators. So let's open our Anaconda Navigator. Then we have to click Launch Jupyter Notebook. Then inside this desktop, we created a new folder that is Python. Then create new file, Python 3. So I'm renaming that folder that is Python operators. Okay, so there are various operators present into the Python, which are arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator. So we will see one by one. So first one is a arithmetic operator. Suppose I write something like this: x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 20. Run that. I want to print that, print x and print y. So we will get x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20. And arithmetic operation are nothing but print x plus y. So it is addition, then print x minus y, that is subtraction, print x into y, that is multiplication, and print x divided by y, that is division. If you run this, then you will get that addition of 10 plus 20 is 30, subtraction of 10 minus 20 is minus 10, then multiplication of 10 into 20, that is 200, and 10 mod, that is 10 divided by 20, is nothing but the 0.5. Suppose you like this, print x mod y. This is nothing but the modulus. It will give you reminder when you subtract this. So x mod y is nothing but the 10. That will give you reminder. Okay, if you run something like this, suppose x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3, and if you run this like this, x divided by y, if you print this, you will get 1.666. But if you want integer value, then what you have to do, you just have to add one more division, then it will give you integer value, integer division. Then you can see that you will get only one value. So this is arithmetic division. Next is a assignment operator. So what is assignment operator? Suppose if you like, my x value is currently 5. Suppose I'm writing x is equal to, or x plus equal to 3. So this symbol is nothing but the x is equal to x plus 3, that is 5 plus 3. Suppose I am running this, and after that I print the value, that is print x small x. Then you will get the value is 8, because my first x value is 5 plus equal to is nothing but the x is equal to x plus 3. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Same like that, you can add this x minus is equal to 3. So this is nothing but the x is equal to x minus 3. If you print x, then you will again get the 5. That is, my x value is 8 and I'm subtracting 3 from them. So my x value is now 5. Then the next is a comparison operator. So what are comparison operator? Suppose you like x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. Run that program. Suppose you write x double equal to y, then it will give you false. That is, these both value are not true. Suppose I'm writing x is equal to 4, y is equal to 4, and run that program. And again I'm running this, then you will get true. That is, x and y value are true. Suppose you write down x not equal to y. You want to check that x value is not equal to y, then that will give you false, because both value are same. So this is the comparison operator. Then the next operator is a logical operator. We know the logical operator, so just erase that. Okay, suppose I'm writing x is equal to 5, y is equal to 10, and I'm just running it. X is greater than 5 and x is less than 10. X is less than 5 and x is less than 10. If I run this, I will get false, because my x value is not less than 5. So this is the AND table, and know that if one condition is true, second condition is true, then only third condition will get true. And the next one is a OR. So you have to write x is less than 4 or x is less than 20. If you write this, you will get true because my 5 value is less than 20. So this is the true statement in the Python. So guys, this is the operators in the Python. Please subscribe our channel and click to bell icon to get more updates. Thank you.